When did you start walking and where are you from?
We are the pilgrims from Eldoret Diocese, around 210 here, and we started our journey from 8th of May towards from an area called Elgeyo Marakwet there.
Tulianza safari tarehe 8 mwezi huu. Tulianza baada ya Marakwet, mwisho wa Marakwet pale inaitwa Embogo. Tulianza tukiwa karibu watu 16 na watu Eldoret, sisi watu Eldoret tulikuwa tumejigawanya mara nne. Kuna wengine wanaanza Kabarnet, kuna wengine wanaanza pande ya Nan.
I have fellow Christians who also undergo some problems. They also want us actually to pray for them so that any heavy luggage they are actually carrying on them should be presented to God through our walking.
Some of us come on vehicles if they cannot manage after malaria field, and just verify that most of us. Right, I told you this because for this my first time to have the problem of but those who have been coming 4 years, 5 years, some are even up to 10 years. They are so much active.